In this video, we're going to show you how to back up Obsidian. Backing up your Obsidian vault is one of the most important steps you can take to protect your notes, projects, research, and personal knowledge. Whether you're using Obsidian for work, school, content creation, or personal organization, having a reliable backup ensures that your information remains safe if something unexpected happens. However, many users don't think about backups until after a problem occurs. Hardware failures, accidental deletions, software issues, or device loss can potentially result in important data being lost. The good news is that Obsidian stores your notes as regular files on your computer, making them easy to back up using a variety of methods. By the end of this video, you'll learn a simple method for backing up your Obsidian vault and protecting your information from data loss. So, let's get started. The first step is to locate your Obsidian Vault folder. Open Obsidian and identify the vault you want to back up. Since your notes are stored as files and folders, everything in your vault can be copied like any other folder on your computer. Next, open your file manager and navigate to the vault location. Select the entire vault folder. Now, copy the folder and save it to another location. Many users choose to store backups on an external hard drive, secondary storage device, network location, or cloud storage service. Creating multiple backup copies provides additional protection in case one backup becomes unavailable. Another useful option is enabling automatic synchronization or backup software that regularly copies your vault without requiring manual work. This helps ensure your notes remain protected even as you continue making changes. After creating the backup, verify that the copied files are accessible and complete. It's a good idea to occasionally check your backups to make sure they are working properly. As your vault grows, continue updating your backups regularly to keep them current. In most situations, this is all you need to do. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, locate your Obsidian Vault folder. Second, create a copy of the entire vault and store it in a safe location. And third, maintain regular backups to ensure your notes remain protected. Remember that backups are an essential part of protecting valuable information. Even a simple backup strategy can help prevent major problems if files are accidentally deleted or a device becomes unavailable. This is especially important for users who rely on Obsidian for research, work projects, study materials, writing, and long-term knowledge management. Taking a few minutes to create and maintain backups today can save countless hours of frustration and recovery efforts in the future. And that's how to back up Obsidian. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who use Obsidian. Your support helps us create more tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and productivity tips to help you get the most out of your digital tools. If there's another Obsidian feature or issue you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.